everybody. Today, let's learn about cybersecurity. So you can take the Quad Cyber Challenge, and Quad means four. Four countries are participating: Australia, India, Japan, and America, United States of America. If you look, each of the countries has some activities. So, for example, like India will have stay safe online. There's quizzes, articles to read, and videos to watch. Now here's some tips for you. So, only download. So let's say if you have your uncle, auntie's phone, just anyone you know's phone, don't just already download games. First, you should ask the adult's permission. Next is, don't give out personal information. Anyone asks you for your full name, address, birthday, or phone number, you should first check with an adult if it's safe to check or not safe to check. Next is, use strong passwords. So don't include your name, birthday, or any other information that can be guessed in your password. Instead, make long passwords like 10 or 20, like 10 or 16 letters. So they can include numbers, special characters, or even phrases that you will remember, even letters. So, watch where you click. Don't open emails from people you don't know. First, ask an adult if you know them. If they know them, then you can click. If not, then it must be a spam, or some hacker might be trying to hack your computer. Don't click. Also, don't click on ads that offer prizes, money, or anything free. Definitely, it might be spam. So, check your settings. So, have a parent, guardian, or teacher help you to make sure the privacy settings on an app's social media internet platforms. Use app the set and appropriate for your age group, like 6 to 10 or out. If you want, check out these videos that Cow.org showed how to not get hacked on your computer. So check out these series one by one, and you can learn about how to not get hacked. So check out this quiz on social media practices and get your certificate like me. Get 50 score or more, and then get a certificate like me. So, hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more. Bye!